This week in the frame shop, Molly at Layered Dimensions asked us if we could make a custom size and custom shaped mirror frame. And the answer is yes, we can do this. Now this is a modified cathedral. This is what a cathedral frame looks like. So what we've done here is we've flattened the top, and then at the bottom we've done 90-degree corners at the bottom instead of rounded ones. So we have lots of options when it comes to custom shapes. Here are a few ideas of shapes that we can do. So bring us your custom shapes and sizes, your interesting projects. We can help you with that. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time in the frame shop.